Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's been long speculated that BTS's Jungkook is collaborating with his HYBE label mate, Australian singer-songwriter the Kid LAROI. Previously, Jungkook showed his support for the Kid LAROI, covering his hit song, Stay, featuring Justin Bieber, during a live broadcast in 2021. He also attended the Kid LAROI's set during Coachella 2023 in April. Finally, in September, the Kid LAROI reposted Jungkook's Stay cover on his Instagram story with the caption, "Soon, after 2 years." This provoked even more rumors. Now, the Kid LAROI has confirmed it with new posts. He posted a photo of himself with Jungkook. The Kid LAROI finally confirmed the collaboration speculations with a new post. He shared a teaser on TikTok, featuring himself, BTS's Jungkook, and British rapper Central C. He revealed the single is called Too Much, and it will be released on October 20th. The video went viral with over 1 million views at the time of writing, capturing the attention of ARMYs. Yet, something else caught their attention. In the caption, the Kid LAROI tagged the artists, and Jungkook's newly changed username is so long that some even initially thought that the Kid LAROI had attempted to write a message in Hangul. What do you think? Write in the comments.